Hello. So this is a really cheesy video on how to change a tire on the road when you get a flat. And not all flats are fixable on the side of the road, but I always carry a patch kit and a pump in all of our cars in case of an emergency like this. We were on the way to a trip and all of a sudden I got a warning on the dash saying pressure is very low. I looked at it and it was like 35, 34, 33. It's like, oh boy. I figured it was another Tesla blowout, but I hadn't hit any bumps. The previous Model 3 had two blowouts from, well, one I hit a tool on the road that was camouflaged in the pavement. And then the other one was cut out from Pico doing some road work, and they left like a 2-inch lip. And there's, right after a bridge, there's nothing I could do. I have videos on those here. But this one was just, apparently I ran over something, it pierced the tire and it came off and it was just spewing out air. And I was able to fix it and get on my way. And this is the entire purpose. For the first time ever, I was able to actually, fix a flat on the side of the road with the stuff that I prepared for and get going. So it's kind of a rough video because it was really cold and windy. And but the end result is it held air. It's been 4 or 5 days and it's still holding air. But I am going to take it to my shop to have it patched from the inside. Which is a better patch than a plug in most cases. And the hole is near the center of the tread pattern, which is a place that's fixable. Although they say the tire is compromised and they shouldn't take it to high speeds anymore because whatever went through the tire went through the belts as well. And so I shouldn't be going 217 miles an hour. Not that the car could do that without the brake upgrade, but that's besides the point. Anyway, here's the video. Comment, subscribe, whatever, like, dislike, and let me know what you think. Okay, so we're on a trip to go somewhere with my bashed Tesla. These guys don't like us here. So my car said beep, 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 the Tesla thing. And look, another Tesla with another flat tire. How surprising. But this time, it's not a pothole. This time, I ran over something. It created a nice big hole. Now, the good thing is it's in the middle of the tread pattern. I have a patch kit and I have a pump. So hopefully we'll be able to get it up and running soon. But I had to unload everything from the car to get to my emergency preparedness kit. So guys, have a pump with you. Have a patch kit with you. So first, we're going to patch it. Don't need gloves. Here's the actual patch. Oh man. If it was warmer out, it'd be easier. All right, that's done. Now I even got my little knee pads. Still got air in it. So now you do this to roughen it up. The heck did I run over, man? Then
you got in a car.
No.
TJ Folks.
I'll call him back.
Camera work might be a bit shaky.
Oh! That was a lot. The proper fix would take it to the tire shop and have it patched from the inside, but I can't do that right now. Ew. It's patched. Now I gotta trim that. Put air in it, we'll go. Good to go.
Why didn't you use the gloves you set out?
Yeah. And I saw nothing in the highway. I'm glad it wasn't a blown tire like the Model 3 used to get, because those weren't repairable. This is a high-speed pump.
Whoa. Wow. 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 God love struck went straight to my head. Yeah.
Alright. So these are by ones. I want to be at 42 because the car is warm and this is air coming out here is warm. Hey, I'm at 42.